Hey guys, what's up? So I have a different video today. This is an unboxing video from a company that I ordered from. I went to her page. I saw her on Instagram, and then I went to her page and I saw that she had these cute little items that she made with the 3D printer. And I wanted to upgrade some of my things and maybe add a couple of things to my budgeting setup. So I haven't opened it, so we're going to open it together. The name of the company is Savings with Grace. She's on Instagram. I don't know what other platform she is on, but I found her on Instagram. And look how cute this tape is. So let's go ahead and open it together. I've never done one of these before, so it's going to be interesting. It's cute. Handle with care. I'm fragile. Thank you. Looks like Kim Kardashian. How cute. Oh, here's another one. Handle with care. I'm fragile. The little kitty cat. Oh, and he's in he's in what's that little shoe? I know you. Look. I'm drawing a blank today. I'm getting over this like nasty cold. I don't know if it's a cold or allergies, and I've just had a brain fog for a couple of days. So, Crocs. I have like 2 pair. But you know, I'm slowly getting back to normal. I think that these days colds are just so much more deadly as far as like the symptoms. You know, every time I get a cold, which isn't very often, you know, the symptoms just seem to be getting worse or stronger somehow. So, all right, so let's get into this. I know I didn't open this all the way. Okay. Excited. I kind of remember what I ordered, but honestly, the turnaround was pretty quick. Let's see. I love cute packaging. You know, I like to package my orders like real cute too, like making it an adventure to open, make it exciting. A beautiful paper. All right, let me take everything out of the box and I'll come back. All right, so I have everything out of the box, and the first thing is this catch-all tray. You know what? This tray is way bigger than I thought it was going to be. So let's see. I was going to use it to put like my dice and stuff in there, but it's so big now I can put my little vacuum in there. Like, this is so cute. Like, and it comes in a couple of other colors. But as you can see, like, this is the comparison to this tray, which is a ceramic, like, little tray compared to the size of this. I really had no idea it was this big, but I love it. I love it. I love it. I could put a couple things in here. So let's put my dice in there. And I'm going to put this in there. I'm going to put this to the side for now. What else could I put in there? Well, I had a little candle holder that I was lighting on the side here, but I think I'm going to put that in there. Oh, that's so cute. This is so cute. Great. Now I have a cute new item. All right, so now what's next? I don't know where you guys are in the country, but I am in New Jersey, and it's winter again, guys, okay? Like, we had 80-degree weather. It rained yesterday, and now, now it's like 30 degrees today when I woke up. And it hasn't gotten above 40, I don't think. And I think it's going to be more of it tomorrow. So, oh, yay. Okay, so this is what I also need, a new cash tray. Look at, this is so cute. So cute. Very nice. Very nice. Let me see, I know I have some money in here. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so let's see. This will go on my other table where I do like, you know, my cash stuffing, my wallet and stuff. I have another table that I work from, and my cash tray is over there. So, but let's see. Wow, this is really cute. I like this very much. And it's going to be perfect. And I don't think that it's going to take up as much room as the one I'm using now. So, but this is good. I like it. I like it. Very nice. And material, everything seems to be very well made. I mean, I'm pretty sure this is a 3D printer that's doing this. And of course, everything that comes out of a 3D printer is just, you know, very sturdy, you know, and just perfect. Like, perfect. All right, so let me go ahead and put that to the side. And the last thing is, oh yes, this little leaf tray. Oh my God, isn't this adorable? Oh my goodness. So this is also going to go on my other table, and I have some dice over there. But look at this. Now you can see in comparison what the size is of this. This is so pretty. So pretty. Oh, and it even has like the texture from a leaf in there. Isn't that nice? Very nice. So that's going to go on my other table. So it looks like I have a couple. Oh, I forgot I have this. I think I had to order something else. Yeah. Yes. It's a little dashboard that I wanted to use. I forget which book I wanted to put. I think I wanted to put it into my business binder. So let me get that. Okay. So because this one has, was it the business binder? Or maybe it was the other binder. Hold on. Yes, it was my sinking funds binder. So we're going to put this in there. So I already have that. And then I just was going to just put it in here. Because I'm going to be getting a new binder soon. I ordered some new binders. I think I'm going to put that in there. But for right now, I wanted to put it into this binder. Look how pretty. I love butterflies. Butterflies have a very special meaning to me. They always remind me of my dad who passed away. And every time I see them, I always think of him, and I know that he's around. So these have a very special meaning to me. Very special meaning. And they also has dual meaning as well because, you know, I don't know if some of you know, I did go to culinary school and become a pastry chef. So I have a tattoo that says Butterfly Girl. So it's B-U-T-T-A. Fly Girl, and it has a butterfly. So yeah, it's special. It's very special to me, butterflies. So that's nice. Fits in there perfect. Okay, looks like we have some freebies. Okay, let's see. I can always use another cash placeholder. I'll laminate this and put that with my other placeholders because you can never have enough of those. Seriously. And here's a little cash teller slip that she provided. And it says, let's connect. So she is on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. It says, let's connect. Your order made our day. We hope we make yours. Lisa, Grace, and Bobby. So there's her information. If you can see it, you can screenshot it. All right, so that, and there is also a little envelope. This plastic envelope is really cute. So there is also a little paper clip as well. Very nice, very cute. All right, guys, so that is it for now. And hopefully I'll be back with my normal videos. I went ahead and cash stuffed the 15th week, I believe it was. I was just so sick. I had lost my voice and I couldn't even speak. So I actually have an IOU. I have to put $10 in here to make up what these denominations that I added. So we have 13, 14, 15, and actually 13, 14, 15, and 16. So I owe IOU for $10 here. By the next time I cash stuff, I'll have that ready to put in there along with week 17. Okay, so that's done. And hope you guys are having a good week. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.